tumale twolekere endongo mu maaso.
Congratulations, my brother. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very, very much for supporting Mickey, for supporting Ugandan music, and for turning up today. Banange Jemuri, Aba Western Uganda Murio, Aba Nyankore Murio, Tikure Bakandebe Mikono yanyu. Mwebale mnonga kumusha jikamiki waini. Nomanya na marobwire bwinji omuryankore uruganda rwanje narwebwa rona narwebwa nakambore nyankore rwinji munonga tikwishuka rugandije konkamwe bari munonga irizoba kwisha. Thank you very much. Northern Uganda muliyo apoyo mateka apoyo Dan Magic bamwe microphone Dan Magic bakwe microphone nyindo gamba oruchori kandi oruhindure orutomu Ruganda apoyo matek apoyo tutwara
mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala
apoyo olubino
mwebale nnyo okujja
apoyo olubino isho me Mickey Wine
mwebale nnyo okujja mu show ya Mickey Wine
apoyo me Mara
mwebale nnyo okumwagala
Amaru tutwara
abaagala nnyo.
Thank you very much. Banange tubagala nnyo baganda baffe mwebale nnyo okwagala music of Uganda. Ate it can be better than this. We are going to make it better than this. Twin our star Abakabi. I want to salute all the stars that we have. Stars like King Saha, stars like Matthias Warukaga, stars like Dax Vibes. I'm so proud of you, my brother, and all our young brothers. Thank you, mwebali butatuswaza. Ze sobola kuperforminga kati sobola kola show. Nenange ndi movie mwana. The baddest in this industry. You see me? But still, when they stopped Bobby Wine, many other artists showed up. When they banned Bobby Wine, King Saha rose. When they banned Bobby Wine, Dax Vibes rose. When they banned Bobby Wine, Mickey Wine rose. Nga Yesu yatugamba nti bwe munaasirisa abantu abo amayinja gajja kwogerera waggulu. Kati amayinja googera. Mwebale nnyo mweyongera okwagira industry ya Uganda. We're going to make this industry better, ladies and gentlemen. As a matter of fact, tuli mu season ya kulonda, right? Look at me, ladies and gentlemen. Imagine having a president that looks like me. Just imagine. For a minute, pause. For a minute, pause. Look at the man in our state house. And look at me. Look at the ideas. Look at the generation. None of you has ever seen another president in your life. That is supposed to make you shy. President Tulipa artists wanaona Mickey and badafuna sente nyingi nnyo on the live streams. All that is supposed to be your revenue. But we have no copyright law. You understand? So we are going to change that. Be sure, have no doubt. I'm going to be president. If not tomorrow, the other day. If not the other day, I'm not going to change this country. Omulangira wasajja nsanyuse nnyo okulabako mukwano gwange bene mutuuseko okwagala kwaffe banaye mwebale nnyo okwagala industry ya Uganda. Nkagamba muno nga n'amaraka ganje gasiisikala tinkuwasa kweshongora sisobola na kuyimba kati naye mwebale nnyo n'abaana b'ekisolo abagisolo muliyo murakoze cyane kutwakira turabashaka cyane. Thank you very much. We love you. To all our leaders, Chairman Inyas is there, Mayor Nubian is there, and one of the most disciplined leaders that we have, and our incoming Mayor, Ronald Usubuga Barimwezo. We respect you, we love you. To all of our brothers and sisters, Milonda Baba Sister Wangi, abalungi abali wano waliwo ne sister waffe gwempenye ekitiibwa bamuyita Namagembe twamutuma n'abaana baffe. We love you, we respect you. To all our children, to Uganda, thank you very much. Sigenda bayimbiramu olwaleero. Let me leave it to the young ones. Ne Mukama bakuume. Kikinamu.
That's it.